It's now clear that you know why your small business should be using email marketing techniques to increase its consumer base, increase revenue and build brand awareness. However, be aware that if the email marketing techniques are not used properly, they may fail to work and your business may end up attracting huge losses. It is thus very essential that you know the proper ways to implement email marketing strategies. This will help you avoid alienating your consumers. There are 3 basics which you must get right before you can begin to expect your email marketing campaigns to start showing results. These basics include creating a list of individuals who will want to receive the message of your business, crafting the message so that it's not thought of as spam, creating an effective system which will get the message into your viewer's inbox. Once you've accomplished the 3 basics, you can work on a number of more sophisticated and detailed tactics to improve your results. Here is a guideline that can assist you run an email marketing campaign correctly. Step 1. Getting started. For most business operators, the misconception that there has to be a marketing professional in order to implement an email marketing campaign successfully represents the biggest hurdle. Generally, email marketing can often be a lot easier than it sounds provided a person gets the basics right. Once you've decided to create an email marketing technique, the next step for you is to start consolidation your name for your outgoing email list. Step 2. Creating an email list. You'll require a list of names as well as email addresses to start with, so that you can begin getting your email marketing messages out there. Start by gathering together all of your contact information and names into one identifiable spot. Typically, the best way of organizing and categorizing your email names list is using a database. This is not difficult and thus you do not require a computer science degree for you to use a database. You can use MaxMacTracker or Microsoft's Excel spreadsheet or anything else which you know how to operate well. Using a database to manage all your names will make you see the different email addresses that you already have. You can also begin with your business Rolodex and a list of current and previous potential consumers. Step 3. Coming up with sign-up sheets. If you do not already possess the email addresses of your consumers, it is important that you come up with sign-up sheets so that they can provide you with their email addresses. An ideal way to do this is to provide a sign-up form at your storefront or on your business's website. It is important that you encourage your consumers to sign up by giving them something once they happen to give you their email addresses.